what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this slime. So it's a slime I got at a stationery store, and normally I don't make videos of me unboxing slime from a stationery store, but this one was like $80, and so I just wanted to make a video to see if it's worth it. So today I'm just going to be opening it, and I'm only going to be playing with it tomorrow. The reason I'm doing this is because, as you can see, there's all these different slimes you can get, and I'm just like super curious to see which one I got, and so that's why I'm doing it today. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I finally got the plastic wrapper off, and before I open it, I just want to show you guys the different kinds. So there are 12 different kinds. This side is the clear ones, and this side is the white ones, and there's one super rare one, which is this one, and it's glow in the dark. The others are glow in the dark, and obviously I really want that, but I'm obviously not going to get it because it's like super duper rare. I also really like this orange one here. My favorite ones are the clear ones. I love all of the ones here, so like, yeah. Hopefully I get one of these. Anyways, let's open it up. Whoa, okay. So as you can see, there are so many extras. I actually wasn't expecting this, but there's this inflating sticker thing, and which I'm going to use tomorrow. Some foam beads. So cute. And some charms. So that's definitely really nice. Okay, here's a slime. The container's pretty nice. And the one I got is this one right over here. It's a clear one, which I'm super happy for. So right now it's melted, and I'm actually pretty happy that it's melted, and you might find that weird, but I'm actually happy because that means there isn't like a lot of chemicals in it to make it not melt, because a lot of store-bought slimes never melt because there's lots of chemicals in them, so they can sit on the shelf for a long time. But this is melted, which means it's pretty good. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. As you can probably see, I'm still in the same outfit right now because it's still the same day. But I just want to say real quick that I actually activated it today so that you can have one night to sit and clean up a little more for tomorrow. And so the next transition, you will see me tomorrow playing this. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? So it's the next day, and now it's time for slime playing. So this is the first angle, and this over here is the second angle. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the playing. So I already showed you guys what was in here yesterday, and I might put some of that into the slime later, but not right now. And I also just wanted to put out a disclaimer that the slime is not fully clear, even though it's a clear slime, because it was melted yesterday and I just reactivated it yesterday. That's why it's not fully clear, but I really wanted to do this, and so I decided to do it now. Also, this is the inflation sticker, which I'll use later. But anyways, let's get on with playing it. As you can see, the bottom is already pretty clear. That's super nice. It's so bubbly. The texture isn't like particularly thick, but it isn't very thin either. And it's like just the perfect texture. Definitely does not feel store-bought, and it feels homemade too, so that's really nice, and I love slimes that are like that. Let me give you guys a closer view. So I'm right now editing this video, and I've just found out that after I zoomed in, it's like not as satisfying anymore, so I just want to put that out there, and I'm very sorry. It also makes such good bubbles, which I love. The color is also really nice, and though it does smell like store-bought slime, the smell isn't that bad. Sorry about that. With it enough, and now it's time to inflate it. Guess now we can try it out. So basically, you just peel it off like this. Just stick it here, like this, and then you peel the yellow part off, supposedly. Why do they make it look so easy? Okay, now we're just gonna put the slime on it. Let's start. So we're gonna start with this. Then we're gonna. Whoa, this thing really helps it stick, because before when I inflate it like this, it never sticks, so that's really good. It is a little hard to cool, but that's good. So as you can see, I did it for a while, and it's pretty big now, but I'm going to continue. Okay guys, so I've been doing this for around 6 minutes or so, and this is how big it is. It got kind of hard to stretch at the end, so I just kind of gave up there. It's probably not the max, but it's definitely the max for me, and so it's pretty big, as you can see. But I'm gonna try to put it into the container and hopefully see how much bigger it got. As you can see, it got so much bigger, and there's still some left here, so I'm gonna try to get some of that off. Look at how much bigger it got. I give this slime an 8 out of 10. So anyways, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.